Modern quilts seems to be the current buzzword, and I have to say I'm becoming quite a fan. And the reason is that they really showcase the fabric that you've chosen, and they are quick and easy. And you know how much I like quick and easy. Another word I like is fast, so it comes in the same category. The two quilts behind me, you can see, are made with very few blocks. The one here on my left, which is in the peachy colours, is actually only 16 blocks. And even quicker on my right is one that's only 9 blocks. I hope you'll have a quick look at some of the modern fabrics that are around and give them a go, either as squares, a quick 9 patch this way, or you could do rectangles. Just cut the fabric to the size that showcases it, surrounds it, and add some sashing.